Now we want to draw the light box on top. So we'll start it out here, and then again we know the because we've started the box in the right way, we can type in 400, 135. So by clicking on that point we know it's in the right plane, so we can see there now we're in the right plane, and we can use the push pull tool to pull along, and we'll just see, and I can see I've made sure I'm not on the front edge there but on the back edge of that box. So if we pin that around, we are flush at the end. So what we need to do is just pull out at each end. So we know, or I've worked out, but that we want to pull it out 375 mils. But you can sort of do it by eye. 300 looks way too much. So we actually probably only like 150 or something, maybe. So we can sort of figure out a rough. So if I type in 150, I think that'll be quite good. So you can sort of see it's not too bad. If we come down the other end and then just double click on there, it automatically pops out the last distance that we used the push pull tool. So it's the same as before. So we've got that lined up now. So again, if we go to the select tool, triple click the light box and turn it into a group, so make a group. So straight away we've got all our elements in the main frame. So we need to add some other bits in here. So I'm just going to do that and then we'll come back to that in a second. Okay, so I've now drawn the elements along the side. So we've got the metal bars along each side. So now we've got a finished table with our light box. And at the moment it's just all white, and we'll add some colour in a second. But I want to adjust it and show you the benefit of making the legs a component. So just need to, if we want to edit the component, we need to double click on it, and you can see everything else goes grey. And then now if we start to edit, I'll just zoom in, make it a bit clearer, pan over, we can use the push tool. I want to make that, or we might need to double edit it, because that's a group, we sort of have to edit within it. So we go down twice, so but we pull that down, and you can see all the others are moving as well. So rather than having to copy them or move them individually, so we can I just want to bring that down 20 mil, just because I think it will look better. So it looks a bit nicer than before. So, and if I click out, then we've gone back to edit the component, so we can come over the other side here, just pan over, and then double click on that piece, and then use the push pull tool again, and just double click, and that went down to 20 automatically. So now we've got our box, and just click out of that, so now everything's clean again. Now we've got our light table ready to texture and adjust. So we'll do that shortly.